Welcome back to another jailbreaking City of Tweaking Tech video. Today I have an unboxing for you of the Samsung Galaxy S3, the white version. And so let's get to it. So here it is. Comes with, of course, your Galaxy S3. Here it goes, right here. Okay, let's set that to the side. See what we have in the box. Okay, we have goodies inside of the box. So we have owner manual, guides, how to use it, USB charging cable. Okay. We also have wall adapter to the USB charging cable. It comes with a nifty little set of earphones. Pretty cool. And that's about it. So that's all you get. The Galaxy S3. And well, that's it for now, and I will have a comparison video up later against the Galaxy S3 versus the iPhone 5. Who will win? We don't know. Have to see later on. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.